Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to grow ashwagandha from seeds. Start by soaking seeds for 24 hours to soften the coat and improve germination. Sow seeds 0.25 inches deep in a free draining mix, keep soil warm and moist, and provide bright light. Thin seedlings to 6 inches apart when true leaves appear. Harden off plants before transplanting outdoors to reduce shock and promote root growth and vigor. Choose a well-draining sandy loam or cactus mix and avoid heavy clay that retains water. Use pots at least 8 inches deep or a raised bed to give roots room to expand. Amend soil with 10% coarse sand or perlite for better aeration and drainage. Keep pH near 6, 5 to 7, 0 for optimal nutrient uptake. Apply a light, slow-release fertilizer once plants are established throughout the season. Water moderately and allow the top 1 inch of soil to dry between waterings to avoid root rot. Provide full sun or at least 6 hours of direct light daily for compact growth and robust roots. Reduce watering during winter dormancy to conserve resources and encourage recovery. Mulch lightly to retain moisture, but keep the crown clear to prevent rot. Monitor for pests and treat organically if needed to protect plant health sustainably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.